Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Hyundai Elantra door handle. First, you'll need to determine if the problem lies with the interior or exterior handle. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and an 8mm socket. Having the correct replacement handle on hand is also crucial for a smooth repair process. Now, let's get to removing the faulty handle. Begin by locating and carefully prying off any small plastic covers or rubber grommets that conceal screws or access points. Often, you'll find an 8mm or 10mm bolt securing the handle. Unscrew this. Once loose, gently slide the entire handle assembly out of its housing, being mindful of any attached rods or cables. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. If applicable, carefully attach any rods or cables to the new handle's mechanism. Then, slide the new handle into its designated opening, ensuring it sits flush and aligns perfectly with the door's contours. Finally, reinsert and firmly tighten the 8mm or 10mm retaining bolt to secure the handle in place. Before you finish up, it's essential to thoroughly test your newly installed door handle. Open and close the door several times, operating the handle from both the inside and outside to ensure smooth and reliable function. Reinstall any small plastic covers or rubber grommets you removed earlier. Lastly, verify that the door's locking and unlocking mechanisms work perfectly, completing your repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.